If you can hit the tee 4 or 5 times in a row without missing it, then you're ready to introduce the golf ball. So once you introduce the golf ball, you're gonna do the same thing. You're just trying to hit that tee and let the ball get in the way. And if you do that, you should be able to get the ball up in the air. Once you get good at doing that, hitting the ball off a tee on a half swing, then let's go ahead and try hitting the ground. So you can put a ball on the ground here inside of your club. You're gonna take your stance, and again, you're gonna make these little half swings, practice swings, trying to hit the ground as close as you can to where that golf ball is. And when you can, number one, hit the ground, and number two, hit the ground close to where that ball is, then you're probably ready to hit a golf ball. You're gonna put your club behind the ball. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take the club back, try not to sway. You're gonna try to keep the left wrist flat through impact. And if you brush the grass where the ball is, the ball should go in the air pretty much every time. Number one, practice hitting a tee. Once you can hit it 4 or 5 times in a row without missing it, then you're ready to try to hit a ball. Put the ball on the tee. In terms of the height of the tee, it should only be about maybe 1/4 of an inch, ½ inch at the most off the ground. Once you get good at hitting balls off a tee on the half swings, then put a ball on the ground, practice hitting the ground. Once you get good at hitting the ground, then try to hit a ball. So give that a try. I hope that helps you in your journey to learn this great game that we call golf.